Jade from Sweet Softies, and I'm super excited to be here with my Lena Rose today. We're wearing matching clothes, yay! So I have on, these are lovely little dresses that we got from Mome. It's a little boutique store, and I love their dresses, so beautiful. I have on the little Charita dress. It's a floral version, and Lena is wearing the little Charita dress too, the mini version, and I just love how she looks in it. Lena, can we say hi? Hi! Yeah! And these are so cute because they come with matching hair bows, and Lena actually has one too, and get this, we have pockets. So I just, this is like the built for mom dress. So she has a little bow too, but unfortunately she is very averse to things on her head right now, so she is not going to wear anything on her head. So I just get to keep this pretty bow in my pocket for now. But I have to share with you that this is the coolest nursing dress ever because you can actually unzip here and you can nurse your baby anywhere you want in public without needing a cover. It's super discreet. You probably can't even tell it's a nursing dress because I just pulled up the zipper out of nowhere, and it's really well hidden. And hope you'll check it out. If you want to get some of these dresses, I have an awesome discount code for you. Check it out in the description box, and be sure to use my code for that discount. And if you use my code, email me so that with your receipt, and I will reward you with some bonus baby and amigurumi patterns of your choice. I am going to set up a blog post on that pretty soon, so you can go ahead and pick from a library of my patterns that comes along with this purchase. So be sure to check it out, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks for tuning in, and talk to you later. Bye now. Can we wave bye, Lena? Thank you. Bye.